Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, towing package, cooled seats, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, backup camera, anti-lock braking system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.